The big brand sale is on at OK Furniture and it's too good to miss. Enjoy massive savings on brands you know and love. And when you spend 2,999 or more, you'll stand a chance to win one of 20 shopping sprees worth 50,000 rands. Browse our catalog and grab your favorites before the 4th of May 2025. While stocks last, T's and C's apply. It is going to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times to see orders. It's Soweto Derby weekend. It's Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs, biggest fixture of the South African football calendar. They will play this weekend. They also play against each other next weekend in the Nedbank Cup final. This one is in FNB in Soweto at the FNB Stadium, the biggest stadium in Africa for the biggest fixture in our country. It's number 2 against number 9. Kaizer Chiefs at number 9, Orlando Pirates at number 2. The hopes are fading a bit slowly for Orlando Pirates because whatever they hoped for to catch Sundowns, those hopes would have been dashed by the loss against Kukune. However, Sundowns are also playing tomorrow night against Cape Town City. Maybe there will be some hope if Orlando Pirates beat Kaizer Chiefs and Sundowns drop points. It's a huge maybe, of course, because there's still a lot between Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. Junior Kanya, our analyst, former player of the Soweto Derby. How important is this game for Orlando Pirates especially? Do you think they've already given up on the title or they still think they will win the title? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mr. So-and-so?
TJK.
Yes, sir.
Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Diski TV, fighting no and try to fix South African football. I think the mindset of the players after announcing the coach that is leaving, I think it was a major blow. Yabon. Ilimaza player with coach Yava, ngisho the announcement on the media, they were not supposed to do that. Also, Jose Rivera is himself to be playing. Yeah, the guy did very well. We can't lie. Took out the best out of players. Imagine competing with a high-profile team squad. I'm talking about Sundowns with high-profile team of players. Sundowns with young stars. He took out the best out of those players among Kota, which is a contender of young player of the season. That boy, Kota, I'm saying, a contender of player of the season.
It's going to be one of them.
Yeah. Also, Maswangai, not a youngster, but
Midfielder
the age.
of the season.
Yes. Talent butter is obvious. Kuna game that well done to the coach as well. But I think I'm decision work which was very costly now. As ngisho mina, always that guy needed screamer shabalala. Abantu bayibona indima ka screamer bekayidlala. Decision making. Keep on playing players that are not supposed to play. Khona manje ungixakile Orlando Shando from nowhere. You're playing a Champions League, second leg away. The intensity is so high. Orlando Shando, we are prepared now. And then umdlalisa away after Fanro umselecteleni. I think imkhostile leyo nto le brought uShando. uShando can't play. Mabambiza batazodlala uzwe. Another staff keep on playing Mahopa evident. Ngwana says, for what I don't understand. The guy Mabasa went out of the blues. I understand why. It was not for me according to performance. Bengasi performance ukuthi azaphumele ngaphandle politics.
Do you think Orlando Pirates believes that they still have a chance in the title?
Just kuphendula they still believe. They still believe, especially players. I'm not too sure about the coach, but players they do. Yes, players they do. They're gonna remain at Orlando Pirates, irrespective with the coach Yahamba. But now this thing, remember sometimes they've got 5 games or 4, if not mistaken. And I'm not saying Sundowns they will lose their game, but Pirates mindset this thing can win all our 11 remaining games, and anything maybe might happen because they are not a bad team. Basasena ukuphendula nje basasena believe special players. The coach might say, I know. I give up being nama hopes, but losing the game, Lemar Mokalans. Inking I lose a game, I mean to say, it's Kokune. Sorry. It's Kokune. It lost the game that was not supposed to.
What's your opinion about it? You're saying the team believes, maybe the coach doesn't believe. What do you believe about the title picture?
It's over. Computer number 1. Can they lost the game? Yes, Panama president, which is, but I think the referee played a major role. I don't think they lost. If Besiba never, I don't think they lost the game. but the ref replayed the measure rule. Officially, yes, Chiefs lost, Sundowns lost, but the ref replayed the measure rule. But I don't see Sundowns, mina. Especially now, ngale confident abayiphethe with both the Champions League CAF final. I don't see them dropping any points now.
Including against Cape Town City tomorrow.
Hayi. Cape Town City abakazitholi. I mean, they are not themselves. The Cape Town City engibone 2 years ago yakathinga naleya manje. 2 years ago. Specific 2 years, 2-3 years. It's different team. Against Sundowns ngeke. I think Sundowns will dominate them. I don't care who's going to play at Sundowns, but anybody that will play tomorrow, I see another 3-0, 2-0.
All right, let's have a look at Kaizer Chiefs then. What does this match mean for them? I was talking to Tso about the top 8. Umnyango top 8. They are number 9 in the log. They do play poorly in many of their games. They don't give anyone hope. The only hope is their fans. The fans will always have hope. Even if Chiefs were in the NFD, they would still have hope. But when you watch them, they don't give you any hope except when they play Sundowns, except when they play Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, this guy at the preseason, Nabi, I got no excuse. Okay, no matter 6 months, he wanted to see players January wenzakaleni. He's a high profile coach, according to the room eswazwayo. Mina ngifuna ukumbona egroundini akangiprove. So also he's got average squad. It doesn't have a goalkeeper, proper goalkeeper compared to both teams, Pirates and Chiefs. I think China and I still Pirates during the week, but China better. The guy second, he won a call-up go national team not once. He has won so many call-ups and he deserves it. It's done well for Orlando Pirates. But now obvious during the week when they plan. But the plan and the natural is not the same. But so Chiefs, for me, going to this game, they don't have got average squad. Abana depth. In Kolmang squad 11, it's gonna keep on playing the coach. I'm a player that they don't give him nothing, changing players, my position, player that made a stand, but because of a team. Umar Tudlani Mintlum say right back. I don't understand why he keep on playing Abu Modi. What are they offering? Keep on playing Abu Chivavaro. Average team. And also with the coach, for me, I don't think the guy is smart enough. When the preseason the moon, if ngabe imshayile mhlambe if first 6 months, bemele simbone January. So I don't see Chiefs going anywhere. Top 8 in session, they will never gonna go there. Angeke. I don't think they can beat any team. There's no team in Betway Premiership. Some of the team even in NFT, I don't think they can beat. I won't come a team in NFT. Some because lack of confidence to players and the coach. I don't think you trust some player. The way that style of play, you are not even convincing. Believe in players that they're giving nothing. Ordinary player. When I look at him, Sengkhil manje. Ngibhekene this thing good yeah. Mina vele ngiyambona 2 games. The guy they rely on him anyway. Nakusasa obvious umuntu ebarelay kuye. So those players mawuthi uyabheka for Chiefs. Under pressure those players. So nkuleko ukuphendula nje. I don't see them going to top 8. Negame akusasa. Ukuthi amagame asona Pirates players banokucaka but better Pirates players noma ngabe they're gonna drop but not like Kaizer Chiefs players.
Yeah, because I was gonna go to the idea with Derby. Also the game where Chiefs is like on the Sundowns. They tend to be very close. Our humming a form.
Yeah.
And in October it can be just 50-50, anyone can win them.
Yeah, but Mfukeng national team player. Content of places content we win player. If no more Ribéry, I win because Ribéry is one of the best for me. But Landon is closest. The H is still on his side. The best player for Orlando Pirates this year. Figure fit challenging it love. A match win as well. Maswangai, match fitness. I don't think Polile. But tomorrow is gonna start for me. And yes, also be Singbonilu Choli red card. I'm not too sure with the Pirates what they're gonna do. But against Chiefs, who's going to test Orlando Pirates? So Chiefs. It defense keep on changing. Yeah, kuzobanzima. So going to tomorrow's game, I see akunamagoli amaningi azongena. Ngibona 1-0 again.
1-0 to Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, Pirates they're going to win again 1-0. I don't see many score 1 about 2-0. 1-0. If they win 2, there's gonna be 2-1. But the tendency to consider nabo. But I just want to find out who's going to score Chiefs. Marbana, this thing would be highly motivated, but not.
Dupree loves those games.
Yeah, Maragasi right now, man.
Angavela-
But
Angavela-
for me,
but he can just come out of
I
nowhere.
rather play Ngaigo central striker mina. Him and Tuba. I mean him or Tuba. Lo mfana Tuba naye akusukuthi wow. Mara better in terms of football understanding the way she's made idlale ngakhona just set umfana kana Saruni. I parrot they are better, they have national team players. Khuluma ngotito, sikhuluma ngayo Mfukeng. We're talking about talent in Mbata. We're talking about ukuthi uSibisi uphumile China as well. Better players compared to Van Rooyen. I'm not too sure what is back. There is a possibility because angezwa anything a national team player naye. So better than true. Better than Chiefs players. I see Pirates winning 1-0.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much to Junior. It's Ovilagazi 2-1 Orlando Pirates. Junior Kanye 1-0 Orlando Pirates. It's very difficult to analyze football without thinking about who's stronger than the other. If you ever sit down and analyze football and look at a weaker team and still say the weaker team is going to win, you're no longer analyzing. You have to look at who's strong between two teams and then you say, I go with the stronger team. That's even people who are betting. They look at who's strong. When Manchester City is playing against Fulham, you are bound to give your money on Manchester City. And then because football is football, sometimes Fulham just takes points from Manchester City. And you're like, okay, but next week you still do the same thing. Real Madrid against Las Palmas, you're like, okay, Real Madrid is a stronger team. I'm going to bet on Real Madrid. If it happens that on the weekend Las Palmas wins, it's like, okay, but still next week I'm going to back the bigger team. That's very difficult not to back the team that's doing well. It's number 2 against number 9. As you said, national team players, a team that's in the semifinals of the CAF Champions League. It's hard to see, not to see them, winning. But then because football is football, you might find tomorrow anything just happens. As we've said, of course, that Kaizer Chiefs loves these fixtures against Sundowns and, of course, against Orlando Pirates. How can that motivation be consistent? Will it be consistent? They beat Sundowns a few weeks ago. Can they be able to beat Orlando Pirates tomorrow? We shall see. But the stronger team clearly and obviously is Orlando Pirates. It is KTV Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for it. For breaking news, go to itdiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.